Prepared vegetable seasonings for cooking. Do this. Pop open your favorite brand sardine in water or oil. Clean out the sardine like me. If you want, open a can of sweet corn and then drain the water. Add some cooking oil into a pot on medium fire and then saute the chopped vegetable seasonings like this. Add the sardines, less than quarter cup of water, and then cover the pot. If cooking tomato, add it now. Add the salt and the powdered seasonings. Allow. Few seconds later, add the ketchup. Stir in, cover it. 15 seconds after that, add the corn and finished. I am eating corn and sardine with mashed potatoes. Until next time, Megan, get the cookbook, Jamaican Food Recipes. It's a big 8x10 book with 511 pages that you can lay out on the table for easy reading.